Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss one more story. We are going to hear one more story of recovery. It felt really nice when we saw that patients believe in Ayurveda and they heal themselves through Ayurveda, through herbs, through diet and all. So let's talk to a person who is now completely recovered from ulcerative colitis and want to share his feedback with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, so I just want to know like how it begins, how you got to know that you are not fine and there is some issue and it is ulcerative colitis.
Just the symptoms, like a pit in my stomach, in the lower stomach, and then the bleeding, and then a fever.
Okay.
That's the three symptoms. That's it.
Okay. So for how long it continues till you start with your treatment?
For like quarter of a year.
Okay.
Like 3 months.
Okay. Okay. So for 3 months, like how you diagnose that it is ulcerative colitis, and I have to take the treatment for ulcerative.
Mainly by the bleeding.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how you discover it's ulcer. Not colitis, just ulcer.
Just ulcers.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you gone through the colonoscopy?
Yes.
Yeah. How it was?
Hard to describe actually. How it was scary at first, but there wasn't any pain in it, so it was okay. I guess.
Yeah.
No pain in it.
One has to go through it.
Yeah.
If they have to really find what it is. And have you done your fecal cal protectant test after treatment for some time? How to recheck like whether it's fine or not, or through symptoms you diagnose that okay, now I'm fine, there are no ulcers and nothing like that?
Through symptoms.
Through symptoms.
Mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you started your treatment from Planet Ayurveda?
2021.
Month, do you remember the month?
No, it was summer.
Okay.
It was summer. I remember summer because I was sweating all over.
Okay. So what was the experience when you first met Dr. Vikram Chauhan?
He was positive and affirmative actually, and I was scared, spooked actually, and then he said the damage is all repairable, and so I mean it was like just a guardian he was, and he said that it can all be cleared up, and you don't have to worry about anything. And just by the posters that he has in his office, I like them. It's all about yoga and Ayurveda, and that was it.
Yeah. So when you started your treatment, a diet was also given to you.
Yes, it was a major part.
Yeah. So like, were you ready to accept that diet, or you feel that it's really hard to follow?
I was actually already following it, most of it.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Because of my mother, she's an Ayurveda, so she knew most of it.
Yeah.
And it wasn't the hard part.
Okay.
And the hard part was taking all the medicine. There were like 5 churn, 8 tablets, and few quat liquids you have to take. So it's like a bundle of medicines you have to take 3 times a day. So that was the hard part for me.
Yeah. And for how long you continue the medicines?
6 months.
6 months.
6 months, yeah.
Okay. And when you feel that the medicines are now working on me and the symptoms are reducing, and when all the symptoms went off, how long it takes?
6 months. Yeah.
To treat all the symptoms completely?
Yes. Also.
And how it begins, like in a week or 15 days or?
It is said in Ayurveda that for any disease, the cure is the medicine you have to take for at least 3 months. So in 3 months, the symptoms and the pain will go away in 3 months.
All right. So I could say by the end of 2021, you were all right?
Yes.
And today it's 2025. What is the status now, and in between also?
I am as healthy as I was before the diagnosis. So I don't even remember the ulcers that I had.
That's
So yeah,
great.
I'm as healthy as I was a boy.
Yeah, and what about your diet and lifestyle these
Uh,
days?
these days, it's the same as it was before.
Okay.
Ulcerative colitis.
Now you're not following any
No,
strict diet
no.
and everything.
I should be following it, but I'm not.
Okay,
Yeah,
and
no.
still everything is completely fine. No, no, even a single symptom of ulcerative colitis.
I can feel the part which had ulcer in my large intestine. I can feel that it's weak.
Okay,
I can feel it sometimes, not all the times.
okay.
So yeah, that's it.
Otherwise, everything is
Yeah,
absolutely
everything is okay.
okay. So now, what is your review towards Ayurveda?
It's the one short solution for any disease that you have, and yeah, that's most of it.
Yeah, you being a youngster, a lot of people do not want to believe in Ayurveda and do not, want to even try in it. So, what do you think? Should they go to allopathy only, or at least, must try or think about Ayurvedic treatment at least?
In my experience, everyone first goes through allopathy because it's quick, I can say, but eventually they'll come to Ayurveda.
I hope.
Yeah,
And
definitely they will come to Ayurveda because the solution in allopathy is temporary.
absolutely.
It's not the permanent solution.
Yeah.
And Ayurveda, it will cure you all throughout the body. It balances Vata with Kapha, and it's magical. That's what I would say.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience, and definitely it is going to help a lot of people who are suffering from ulcerative colitis and in a dicey situation and thinking whether they should trust Ayurveda or they continue with the allopathic medicine. So definitely it is going to help them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being with us.
You're welcome.
www.planetayurveda.com पर जाएं और वहाँ पे हमारे जो कंसल्टेंट्स हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड से हमारे पास पेशेंट्स जो है कंसल्ट करते हैं आयुर्वेद के रिलेटेड। हमारे एमडी आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर्स हैं जो कि व्हाट्सएप वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के थ्रू आपको कंसल्टेशन देते हैं और आप ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर सकते हैं और अपने जो फ्रेंड्स हैं जो फैमिली के लोग हैं उनको आप बता सकते हैं।
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209-123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।